Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today doing a tutorial with the April GLITZ GLAM box. New label, who this? This is a new label we came up with for like spring and summer. It's just really cute. It's a rainbow. So we're going to try this label out instead of the clear ones for the GLITZ GLAM box. So I posted an unboxing, so it'll show you basically everything that's going to be in the box, but I also wanted to film a tutorial too. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to use all the products. So basically we included a highlighter palette. I'm just going to use the light to medium one because that's the one that's open, and I think all the colors are pretty, and I don't really care about like skin tones and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one for the tutorial purposes, just to show you guys different highlighting techniques. So it comes with the powder contour that I just the powder highlight that I just showed you guys, and also it comes with a liquid one. Let me get it out here. Okay. And this is the liquid highlighting pen, which I personally think is so cool. So you want to wind it. We were testing these out, and you want to wind it for like 30 seconds so you can get everything out. But yeah, once you get it out, it's really gorgeous. So like this one is kind of a pinky kind of shade. So I think that's totally cute. Yeah, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So I'm gonna actually put this on my lids here, kind of like an eyeshadow. And
I do highlight on my eyelids like all the time. And I'm just gonna rub it in with my finger. Whenever I don't feel like doing like a full beat, I'll just do like.
Some people think highlight is over the top, but I think when you use it all over, it's kind of like natural looking. It's like a natural kind of glow. So that's basically going to be the base. And then what I do a lot of times is just take a highlight shade, like I said, and just use it as eyeshadow. And that's what we're going to do today. So let's see which one I like the best. This one's cute. It's the gold. This is the white. Ooh, that's cute. And this is, so here are the highlight shades. I'm always a sucker for gold, so I'm just gonna use the gold here. I'm gonna use this one. Alrighty. What do you guys think? It's like so natural looking. Some highlighters, they're so glittery that it's like, okay, I'm not trying to look like a glitter bomb. Although glitter bombs are good, but I love glitter on my eyes, not necessarily all over my face, so, you know, okay. Also what I do is put highlight here, and then right in the middle of my nose, down the bridge. You also get a fan brush in the box, so let me get my fan brush out. I'm gonna use the more peachy color and just highlight like the tops of my cheeks. And the brands on the fan brushes vary, so depends. People are going to get different brands, so don't come for me in the comments. I didn't get that brand. So, the brands vary. The brands vary. Okay. And then right in the middle of my forehead. So it's like a very kind of natural glow, which I'm okay with. I mean, I'm really, really okay with it. Another thing we got was the gold flakes. I'm so hype about these gold flakes. They are from Glitters. And I think that name is just so cute. And they are so sweet. And we wanted to include them because we don't do basic. I'm trying to tell y'all, we don't do basic. Okay, so these are the gold leaf. Oh, they're so silky and smooth. So I'm just gonna put these on my lid here, and I'm gonna just put down you can use any primer. I'm gonna use my Glitz Glitter Primer, of course. and yeah, we're gonna put these on. Let me do a wing real quick. So I do my wings with felt tip liner. You can use any primer, just grab whatever you have. And I'm gonna take the gold flakes. Oh, the gold leaf. They're so soft. And you can just like rip a little piece off. And then I'm gonna lay it flat and lay it on my lids. And it's like, it like molds into your skin. Keep my wing intact. I'm trying to keep my wing intact. So you can just keep taking little pieces and kind of build it up to your gold flakishness that you desire. I'm gonna put just a little more on the edge. This is so fabulous. It's like 3D. This is like Dolce & Gabbana, honey. Okay. Very high fashion. Alright, we're gonna do the other side too. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be a really natural look. That's so funny. No. Act natural. I love this. It's like so 3D. With the lashes, it's gonna be like, yes. Just like the company. Yes. Glitter, yes. So you wanna I just put it on. I just like lay it on. And it's so soft. The gold leaves are so soft. I mean, if you want to be like super precise, you can take smaller pieces, but I kind of like the bigger pieces. It's like chunky and cool. like super chunky and super cool. These are totally cool. Guys, if you try out the gold leaf, tag me in your video. I'd love to see. This is everything. This is everything. Yes, glitters, yes. Like, it's midnight. I'm playing around with gold leaf on my lids. Oh my god, this is like, I'm like loving this. I'm like so in love with this. Wow. That is so cool. So, so yeah, if you want to be like super neat and super precise, you can. I did mine a little more like chunky and sporadic. Also, you can put the gold leaf on your nails. You would just put nail polish and then lay it down on top. I was gonna do a nail tutorial too, but it's kind of late and I have to get up so early. So, so yeah, these were the gold flakes. Next, what we're gonna do is get our lashes on. It's so cute. Alright, and these are in the style Bougie Doll. Bougie Doll. Oh my gosh. I gotta give a shout out to, let me put lash glue on this other one. And you can also get lash glue at our site. Oh, look at these. These are so like 3D and wispy. Oh, these are gorgeous. I gotta give a shout out to one of our subscribers, Sassy VT Mom. She did an unboxing and we literally can't stop watching it because she was like singing a song. She was like, "You be jealous of my lashes," and I was like, oh, like, because at first I didn't hear it, and my sister, she was like, "Oh my gosh, I love Sassy VT Mom's song about her lashes," and I'm like, wait, what song? And she's like, "You be jealous of my lashes," and I'm like, no way. So I go back and rewatch the video. I had watched it, but like I didn't hear that part. And she was like, "You be jealous of my lashes," and I'm like, yes. Yes, girl, that is the song right there. So shout out to Sassy VT Mom. That needs to be our theme song. You be jealous of my lashes. I literally can't stop saying it. I was saying it for like the longest. I was like, "You be jealous of my lashes." So yeah. These are Bougie Doll. And they are quite dramatic. We did include natural styles, but yeah, the lashes vary also, just like the lashes vary also. What kind of lips should we do? Speaking of lips, next month. You know, I always get in trouble for saying spoilers. My sisters are like, "Stop it with the spoilers, Chanelle." And I'm just like, what? Subscribers want to know, you know? Subscribers want to know. They're like, "Stop it with the spoilers." And I'm like, fine. Oh my gosh. So let me just put on some mascara. But hint for next month, lips and tips. Okay. guys want to make sure to subscribe to my channel. You want to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We have everything. And guys, the box is only $15 a month. And you want to, if you're going to subscribe, you would want to do it soon because we're about to have a wait list because we do have like very high demand. So we're actually going to start a wait list shortly. So till the next video, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.